Today we are in I Am Cat, and we are going to make my grandma some food. So first, I think we can head to the kitchen and look around for some food or something that we can cook. Oh. It looks like there's food in here. Oh, there's cat food. Grandma's going to love this. Oh, even better! Poop! I'm sure I have to cook this poop. I can get in the cat litter. Is this like my poop? How do I get it up there? Can I place it in the... Oh! Why would I place it in my mouth? So dumb, bro. Okay, so first... Grandma! Get away! It's a surprise.
I'm ready.
Get off the phone.
I'm going to...
Oh shit! Just knocked out her teeth. What do I do with that? Wait, can I feed her poop? Open wide, Grandma. Oh yeah. Oh, she won't eat it. I think we can just let Grandma rest for now. Now let's get back to cooking. First, we have the...
You've got to for me.
Okay. Oh, there's knives over there. I can maybe, if I can open this,
Yeah.
I can maybe cut it out with that.
Me.
Oh! Oh, lever. Fridge. Oh, that's maybe for... Oh my god. Is that for this? Yeah, it is! Okay, so we got some cucumbers, carrots, I think those are potatoes, and, tomatoes, I think. Let's just put everything here. Maybe there's something in here. Is this the freezer? Then if the fridge was over there. Oh my god, no. So hard. There! Oh. Hey, yo! Turn on the TV. She's watching cats. I'm right here, Grandma! Oh! Why does he just store empty bottles? Oh, shit! Hopefully Grandma didn't notice that. Chicken! Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh no, I think that's right. Now we are just missing one key ingredient. Some cat food. Let's just go up here like this and put it there. Now we can... Oh wait, we can boil it. If we use this thing. It was really big though. Oh, damn. I'm strong. Oh, my hand is like... I'm strong, bro. I'm just a cat. Oh my god, bro. How am I going to... Why is there a potato there? How am I going to get up here with this thing? Oh my god, bro, that's my potato. I just have to cook it with the panda. Get there. Oh wait, I see Grandma has some fishes over there. Maybe I can cook her some fish too. This fish food, yeah. Maybe if I put that... What is Grandma? Like this? No! I dropped it in! What do I do? Fishy. Little bit higher. I can't grab them. Oh my god, the fish box. She's sleeping. Oh wait, I forgot to chop them up. Let's get over here to get a knife. Oh, this one looks fire. Let's put that in my mouth. Now let's chop them up. I can get it out of my mouth. There. Oh. Ooh. When I chopped up the chicken. There we go. Now we're talking. Now let's get all in the pan. Then we turn on the pan. Is that? Oh my god, it's the wrong one. There we go. Now it's cooking. So sticks along here. Oh yeah. I think that must like to love these. Oh. Why did everything just turn black? How do I get all that to Grandma? Yes, Grandma, come here. Come here, Grandma. I have some food for you. 5-star Michelin food. Oh, Grandma, come over here. Oh, Grandma. Okay, let's just feed her whatever this is. I think this is eggplant. Come on, Grandma. Open wide. Grandma. There we go. Come on, bro. Eat. I said eat it, bro. When I say eat it, you're going to eat. She's suggesting I think I ate it. Oh, Grandma. Grandma, you okay? Oh, my God. Oh, my feet. Oh, just kicking it on Grandma. Hobie. Fun. Hey, Grandma. Oh, my God. Wow, you're so big. I'm stuck. There we go. Okay, Grandma. Time to eat. I don't think Grandma likes it. Why did she start smiling though? Oh, she's...
You came far from me.
Okay, Grandma. Time to eat it. Grandma. Oh, yeah. Think she likes it. Oh, damn.
You came
Oh,
far from me.
Grandma, what did you like it?
I'm ready.
It's some cat food.
I'm gonna eat me.
I like this. That's what I thought, Grandma. You didn't even eat my food, bro. Hey, Grandma, where are you going? Are you going to watch TV again? Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm just floating though. What is happening? No, I'm still stuck. What is happening? Save me! Grandma! There we go. Is that SpongeBob? Squidward's house? Oh my god, brother. Oh, maybe I can go on Grandma's computer. Oh. Password? Okay. Oh, no. Maybe we can turn on the TV for Grandma? Oh, gee. What is Grandma doing? Just staring out the window. There we go. Dogs! Oh yeah, this is my channel. Oh yeah. This is my turn. Come on, Grandma, join the fun. Grandma? I think Grandma died. Oh no. I think Grandma's having a heart attack. Come on, Grandma, join the fun. Damn! Just wanted you to join the fun, Grandma.
Open the heel.
Oh, then this ain't it. Hello there. Oh, what was that, bro? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Grandma, come take a break. Oh yeah, that way. Okay. Well, guys, I think that was it for today. So, like and subscribe for more videos like this.